Good morning everyone, this is Neha. I am back again, day 4 of our practice together for your back pain. Let's get started. Before we start, we're going to close our eyes, legs together, shoulders down, eyes closed. Turn your palm to the center. Take a deep breath in, breath out. Once again, breathe in and breathe out. Open your eyes. Now, get your legs slightly apart from each other. Twisting is kind of will help you to get rid of your back pain. That's what we're going to do now. Both the hands to shoulder level. Now turn to the right side. You can feel the stretch here, and to the left side. Be slow and gentle. You should be able to feel the stretch. To the right. If you want, you can go a little more deeper into it. If not, you can be here. This is mild and a good stretch. Other side. Last one. Right and left. Come to center. Now, legs together, slowly sit down on the floor. Now, from here we are going to practice Gomukhasana, which will help you to give a twist again. So, you are going to keep your right foot inside first, or whatever works well for you, and the left foot on top of that. So, once you are in this posture, you are going to give a twist. So, now my left leg is up, okay. Now, I will take my right elbow, cross it to the knee and try to open up your chest wide. You are going to place your left hand exactly behind your spine and you give a mild twist. You do not have to give a very deep, it just should be a very mild twist. Look back. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't be here in a rounded shoulder, even though if you can give a twist, make sure that your spine should be lengthened. Only then this posture will help you. It's okay, it's absolutely fine if you can't turn back completely, just be here. Okay, release. Now we are going to do the same thing other side. Keeping our one leg down and then the other. Now my right leg is in the front. Now I am going to get my left leg, left elbow. So I am going to keep my left elbow to the knee. I am going to turn slightly outside. I am going to place my right hand exactly behind the spine and I am going to lengthen my spine little more than the usual. It's okay if you can't turn completely back, that will be a deeper stretch. Go according to your capacity. It could be deeper, go deeper. If it is mild, then keep it mild. All you need is to feel the stretch in your spine a little bit. Continue to breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now release. So just keep your knee here for just 1 second. Now you are going to stretch your both the legs straight forward. Try to keep your spine straight, which will help you. Now bend your right knee. When you bend your right knee, you are going to keep your heel exactly next to the knee. Okay, this will help you to have a proper posture. Now from here, instead of sitting with a rounded shoulder, try to lift your spine up. Same thing which we tried in the previous posture. You are going to take your left elbow, you are going to cross your right knee. People who find it difficulty, if you can't really cross, that's okay. First beginner level, if you can't give a twist, then just keep your hand behind the spine, which is my right hand. Left hand hold your knee, press it in and try to look back. If you can go further, use your elbow, take it in, which will help you to open up your chest. So the more you keep your knee in, the more stretch you will feel. Either you can keep pressing it in or just be relaxed. It is your choice, you are going to hold here. Look back. Even if you can't look back, if you are here, that's okay. Close your eyes, breathe in and breathe out. In each asana there are a lot of variation. Pick yours and practice. Now open your eyes, drop your hand down, and you're going to release. That was a good twist. Now same thing the other side. You're going to bend your knee, okay? Left knee is bent. That means opposite hand I'm going to give a stretch from. So keep your left hand exactly behind your spine, lengthen your spine. From here all the way in, press your knee. So the more you press your knee in, you're pushing your shoulder out. Feel the twist. Hold. Close your eyes as you breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly come to center. Release. Come to Sukhasana. Okay. After that, keep your right hand on the left knee. Left hand goes behind your spine again. So all these asana is about twisting. Now you know the importance of twisting for your back pain. Remember, you don't need a deeper stretch, you need a mild stretch, so go slow. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Come to center. Same thing the other side. Left hand on the right knee and the right hand goes back. Lift your spine up. Keeping your spine straight is the key to feel more stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. Come to center. So it's all about twisting for your stronger spine. Practice this every day and I'm sure you'll feel better. I'll see you tomorrow with one more variation. So make sure that you practice that as well. Thank you.